Working out of build book 15. We are on kit pack or stage 56. Got some phasor arrays and a little piece of the nacelle. Alright, so the instructions tells you which one of these goes where. They are marked on the underside here. They tell you to do it one at a time. UO1, 2, 3. One at a time, keep flipping it over, screwing it in using some CP screws. Not doing that. I'm going to just set them all in place. And to prevent them from falling out, I'm just going to put a little bit of painter's tape on it. That way I can only flip this once, maybe, hopefully. Get a towel ready. Flip this giant saucer over. Alright, just reach under, support the phasor array. And we got CP screws. 1, 2, 3 for the first one. It is plastic, going into plastic, so just snug it and stop. You don't over tighten. Alright, all my screws are in. Just go around and double check. I don't know how many screws there are. There's a ton. In the phasor arrays, make sure you didn't miss any. I had missed one up here somewhere. I put it in now. Real easy to double check once you go back around through. Now let's focus on the aft section while we have this upside down. We have a couple of running light lenses. Red is the port side, which is on the left side of the ship. Except our saucer is upside down, so it's going to be over here to the right, since it's upside down. Confused yet? Alright, so let me grab this right one here. So we're going in this little area. There's our impulse engine, and this little lens here has like a thicker and a shallow area. That shallow area goes right over this little bulbous part. So it just fits right down in there. The two little nubs stick out on the other side. And moving over here, our green one, same thing. Let's make sure we have it oriented where that little thin part notched out is going to go right over that little extra bit sticking up. So make sure I'm pushed in all the way, and we are. Alright, that's what it looks like on the top part of the saucer. I'm leaving mine flipped upside down because I do believe the next kit we're going to be working right away in there, but that kind of gives you an idea. We're not done with this stage yet. Alright, get another section of our nacelle. And looks like we got some DM screws here. We need to grab our little battery box from the last stage. Okay, battery box. Take it. It's going to go in like this. Sits over the two screw posts. The switch will go over here in a sec, but let's secure this down. The instruction book says to use GM screws. Unless I drop that kit pack. Oh, I did. It's right here. GM right here. I thought I was missing the screw pack, but it's actually right here. That's good. So GM screws for the battery box. Just shows you how easy it is to drop. Yeah, these are some small little metal screws here. Alright. GM screws. I don't know why I've all, up until now, I've never seen a GM screw, I don't think. So, good time to introduce a new size screw, small one at that, into the important part, the battery box. Alright, I think we're good there. The switch is going to come over here into this slot. Yeah, the wiring on this stuff is so chintzy. And these get the DM screws. See, I'd already grabbed an extra DM screw, going to try to make it work, but I found the other screws. Alright. Haha. Dunskies. We are done with stage 56. Next stage, a little more nacelle stuff, but we get another board and I think another piece of we actually get to start working on the bottom part of the saucer, but with that third board we plug in the rest of these lights and we should have a light show up top. It should be complete on lights up top, part of the saucer. Light leaks and all. Let's see what we have. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing the vid. Shout out to E-Balmy. I know he wants one of these. Oh, Fanhome. Boom.